How to cancel PDF filler subscription. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel PDF fillers subscription. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for PDF filler on your web browser. Then head over to PDF filler's website. You can directly head over to www.pdffiller.com as well. Then log in into your account, and on the top right, you will see your account profile option. Tap on it, and there you'll find another option called My Account. So press on My Account, and it will redirect you to your profile's settings page. So right here, you will see different options, and right below accounts information, you'll find subscription and payment. Tap on it. Now, if you have a subscription, which I don't, you will see an option where you can cancel your subscription on the bottom of this page. Simply tap on the cancel option, and you will need to tap on the confirm option that will pop up in a pop-up, and simply press on it and you'll have canceled your subscription for PDF filler. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.